Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Noelia and I talk about all things curly, beauty, and a little bit of lifestyle. So, since today is Monday, I figured I might as well just keep this routine going. I've been having a new deep conditioner featured on my YouTube channel for the last few Mondays. I want to say I have like 2 Mondays so far. This will be my 3rd one. So, I know I do have passion twist at the moment, but I did try a new deep conditioner last week before I actually put these on. So I was able to film that, but completely forgot to film an intro and an outro to that video. So for today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the Sol de Janeiro Triple Brazilian Butter Hair Repair Treatment. This has been everywhere and I've just been super curious because I use all of their body products and I love the way they feel. I love the way they smell. So this was actually gifted to me to try and review for you guys. You know, I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion because even though I love their body care products, doesn't necessarily mean that their hair products are gonna be bomb. So I put it to the test and we're gonna see how this works in my hair. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the alerts so you don't miss another video. I'm also gonna drop my social handles so you guys could follow me on there as well. I post a ton of curly content, so go check me out. But without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so I'm not gonna lie, I was so excited when I saw that Sol de Janeiro decided to drop a hair mask because I could only imagine what it smells like. If it smells anything like the body care products, I was like, this mask is gonna just win when it comes to scents for me. I am such like a scent crazy person, so I naturally fall in love with the scent before I even fall in love with the way the product feels. I know I'm a little crazy, but this smells exactly like the Boom Boom Cream, the tan colored one, the little orange one. But so, let's talk about what this product claims to do. So this deep conditioner is supposed to help repair and prevent damage. It's supposed to be a moisture intense treatment, and it's supposed to help mend split ends. This claims to actually mend up to 96% of your split ends upon one use. Now, I feel like that's a very hefty claim. Now, I may not be the best candidate when it comes to testing this for split ends because my ends right now are fairly healthy, but we're still gonna put it to the test and see how it works in my hair. But one quick disclaimer, if you are curly girl friendly, this mask does have silicones in it. It does contain trimethicone. So if you're someone who's completely silicone free, do not even reach for this product because no. Okay, so upon using, what I will say is that I did not feel instant moisture right away. Now, I was a little bit disappointed in the beginning as I was actually raking it in. I was like, what the heck? I thought it was gonna feel, literally, I thought I was gonna feel like this triple butter, extra moistureness. Like I was just expecting to be wowed. So I'm here just raking it in because I don't like to assume that a product is not gonna work just because upon applying it's not super soft. What I've learned is sometimes I actually have to rake a product through, brush it through, and then that's when my curls actually react to the product. I have used products in the past where in the beginning I'm just like, no, this is not it. Work the product through and then I'm like, oh damn, I kind of like this. So this was one of those products where I was actually applying it. I think you can actually see it in my face as I was applying it. I was kind of just like, okay, like what's the hype? Because everyone's been hyping this product up. So I'm like, all right, whatever, I'm gonna keep doing it, whatever. And I was pleasantly surprised. I'll say is first off, this product smells delightful. If you have smelled, like I said, if you smelled the Boom Boom Cream, this smells identical to the Boom Boom Cream and it smells so freaking good. And when you rinse it out, your hair still smells like it, so we love to see it. So some of the highlighted ingredients in this mask are Capuca butter, which helps deeply moisturize, Maru butter, which is rich in omega fatty acids and it helps with frizz control and helps boost softness and shine. Kuma butter, which helps lock in moisture, helps with detangling, and helps protect against breakage. And one ingredient that's super interesting is the Sol Seal technology from this mask. It's a plant-based keratin that helps target hair damage and fuses split ends together. So as you can see, as I'm brushing the product through my hair, my curls are just clumping up and absorbing every ounce of this product. So far, I'm really liking it. I have no serious complaints other than the price. I do feel like this is very similar to the Not Your Mother's Naturals matcha green tea mask. So that's why I'm kind of just like on the fence of whether or not the price is justifiable. But all in all, the product works really nicely in my hair. So if you're someone who's been eyeing this mask and looking to splurge, this is perfect for you. So this deep conditioner runs for about $36 and it comes with 8 ounces of product. Now I feel like I can get about maybe 4 to 5 uses from this. So it's not too shabby. It's all dependent on what you'd prefer. But what I will say is this does not feel like anything out of this world. It doesn't feel like, oh my God, you need this. Again, it does moisturize really nice, but there are other affordable products in the market that I do feel like work just as good. I will say is that this smells really nice. If you're someone who's really big on fragrance, it smells really nice. It does work really nicely on the hair, and like I said, it does claim to mend split ends and help repair hair damage. I'm not the best candidate for that, being that my hair is fairly healthy, but if this is something that may intrigue you, I say this is not a bad idea to give it a shot. But overall, I did like using this mask. It left my hair feeling very, very soft, smelled really, really nice, and like I said, it worked really nicely once I started raking it through and brushing it through my hair. My only thing is I've used a ton of other deep conditioners that work and feel very similar to this one, so $36 is a little hefty in my opinion for me, but if you've been curious, it's definitely worth trying. It makes your hair feel super soft, smells really good, and as you guys saw in the video, my hair actually really, really enjoyed it, but it's kind of pricey, I don't know. But that's all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you don't miss another video. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.